Alright guys, so if you want to start a social media marketing agency, then this beginner friendly guide will show you how to get started and start making some decent amount of money for yourself online. And most importantly, we will also show you how to acquire thousands of leads directly from Google Maps. So let's dive into it. Now, social media marketing agency is a business model where you offer marketing services like running Facebook ads, managing social media account, or writing emails for local businesses or online brands. Now, you're essentially the middleman between businesses that need more customers and platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, and all like that. So, and the cool part about this business model is that you don't need a degree or a very heavy startup fee. If you can learn how to run ads, write copies, and analyze basic data, you're in business already. So I'm going to be walking you through some few steps that you will need to take to start up your own social media marketing agency. So now the first thing I would like to share with you, which is the first step, is that you are going to be choosing a niche. Now, choosing a niche, this gives you focus because you're not trying to help every business out there. You are only trying to solve a specific problem for a specific type of business. And I'm going to share with you some business niches that you might want to dive into. One is real estate agent. 2, we have med spas. 3, we have dentists. 4, we have gyms. And 5, we have local services provider like plumbers and lawyers. So once you've been able to choose the businesses that you're trying to help, now you need to think of the service you're going to be offering them. Now, what are the kind of services you can offer such businesses? You can offer them Facebook or Instagram ads. You can offer Google ads, SEO, to help them rank their website on Google. You can also do something called content marketing, where you help them create content and manage each and every of their social media account. You can also help them with email marketing services, where you help them acquire leads, you help them nurture their audiences, and in return they are paying you for it. So one thing I would like to share with you, most importantly, is if you're getting started with social media marketing agency, is that you just need to start with one service, and as time goes on, you can now add multiple services. So for you, I would encourage that you start up with just one service, and later on you can add more other service to it. Now let's go over to the third step, which is you going to be building a simple brand. And yes, now I don't want you to overthink this. You don't need a fancy website. All you need to do is to just look legit so people can gladly pay you their money. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you're going to come over to Canva, all right? And right here on Canva, this is where you can create things like a background image for your agency. You can also create a logo. All right, so once you have your logo already created, and this will make you look much more professional, you can also go ahead and set up an Instagram page, a Facebook page, Twitter page, where you're going to be telling people what you do for a living. Once you find people who are interested in search, you're definitely going to be making some money from it. So you can see with all of these things, you already have an agency up and running. And in case you don't know where to learn some of those business on-demand skills, you can check out platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Allison, and many other educational sites to learn some of those skills. Now let's jump over to the most important part of it all, how to get clients. So I just gave you a quick rush on how you can start up your own social media marketing agency, but now the problem with so many of this is that you might not be able to find people who are willing to pay you money for it, and I have the solution to that problem. So here is the solution to the problem: Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. So Lead Sniper is a powerful tool that helps you find qualified leads for your social media marketing agency by extracting data directly from Google Maps. I'm going to show you how it works, how to get access to Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, and also share with you some key data things, some key data that the Lead Sniper tools help you extract directly from Google Maps. So let's dive into it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how it all works. So right now you can see I'm on my browser, and right here I have the Lead Sniper extension already installed. Trust me, I'm going to show you how to install it rightly into your computer browser. So right now I'm going to open up the tool, and you can see the Lead Sniper tool has been opened up already. I'm just going to clear this. Right now you can see what the Lead Sniper tool looks like. Very easy and a very simple dashboard that gives you much more understanding of what the tool does. And right here inside this box, this is where you're going to be inputting the businesses that you are trying to get data from. You can see I have dentists. Okay, this is a particular type of business, and you can see followed by the country or the location I want to have these guys from. So I'm looking at dentists in California, I'm looking at dentists in Texas, looking at dentists in Florida, dentist in New York, and the list goes all and all and all. And now for yourself, you can see that I have quite a number of keywords that I have imputed right into those two. With the lead sniper tools, you don't have any restrictions to how much of data you can extract. All you have to do is to load up this tool with your keywords accurately, and trust me, it's going to be helping you get all the results you want for yourself. So for me now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on start, and let's see what happens right from here. So if I click on start, automatically it opens up a new browser, a new page, and you can see what happens. Now look at this, guys. All by itself, the lead sniper tool is already helping me extract data of dentists in my preferred location. Now you get to see how many people are making cool money online just by using this tool to search for quality leads that in return will pay them for their service. Now all I have to do now is to allow this to roll for a while, and by the time I'm done, maybe I'm satisfied, I'm going to come back and show you guys what the result looks like. But now let me show you how to get access to the lead sniper tools. It's very simple. Now you want to click the link down in the description box below, and it's going to bring you over to this particular page here. And right here, once you are here on the lead sniper Google Maps scraper page, all you have to do is to come down a little bit. Okay, you can find out more details about those two directly from those page, but I want you to come down a little bit, and right here where it says right here it says start your free trial today. All you have to do is to select the browser you want to make use of. Either you want to make use of the Google Chrome or you want to make use of Microsoft Edge. So for me, I love working with the Microsoft Edge, so I'm going to go ahead and click on, I love working with the Chrome version, so I'm going to click on add to Chrome. And once I click on add to Chrome, you can see it brings me to this installation page. So Lead Sniper is just so amazing that they have actually helped you jot down everything you need to know concerning installation of this tool. So you have to go ahead and follow all of those steps accordingly to be able to install the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper into your computer. And if you would like me to show you practically, this video right here on the screen is going to show you how I was able to install my own Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper tool directly into my browser. Very easy and very simple. And now, considering the pricing plan of Lead Sniper, I want you to know that right here on Lead Sniper, all you have to do is to just pay a one-time fee, and you'll be having to use this tool for a lifetime. And you can see with the starter plan here, you are having over $149, and this would actually work on just one browser. The second one here is $267 popular plan. It will work on 5 different Chrome extension, and the best value plan is going to work on 10 extensions. Now the main reason why we have all of these, right, is just to help you speed up and enhance your lead gen process, so you don't have to worry about getting hundreds. I mean, you can get thousands in a few minutes with the Lead Sniper tool. So in my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can use multiple browsers to start extracting data of any kind and from any location that you want. And right here, guys, you can see on my screen we have over 500 data already extracted. I mean, 500 in just a few minutes. Now let me show you how to export your data so you can have something looking like this directly in your computer file. So quickly come here, and you can see where we have the export folder. You want to click on export your folder. Now right here, what you have to do is to select how you want to export your data. Do you want to export it as a CSV file or as an Excel file? For me, I prefer the CSV file, so I'm going to click on CSV, and automatically, guys, you can see it gets downloaded by itself. So I'm going to open this up right now, and you guys are going to be seeing what the data result looks like. Alright, so we can see what the data looks like. Now I want you to pay attention to what you're seeing directly on my screen. Now you can see we have the keyword we imputed into Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper, and you can see we have it right here. We also have the name of each and every of those businesses. We have the full address, we have the street address, and so many other information. But now this is something that would help your social media marketing agency reach out to the right people. Now with the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper, it's possible for you to get access to this business's phone address and also their email address, right? Now, but look at this one here, guys. Look at this one now. Now you can see where we have those review count. You can see now this is their average review count. This is their review count, right? Rather on Google Maps. Now, if your agency is focused on helping businesses improve their reviews, okay, this is going to be perfect for you, right? This particular data is going to be perfect for you. Why? Because you can go through it and see the ones that you can see the ones that are having low review count, and you can reach out to them and tell them, hey, what's up, I can see you're having a very low review count. Would you mind if I render my service in helping you boost up your reviews? And that's it. You might just be closing your next client. And also you can check out the average rating, where you can see how they are rated on Google Maps. You can see the Lead Sniper tool is just so perfect that it helps you scrape every important information that you might be needing to decide on your potential client. Now again, you can come over, let me just wave through all of these, and again, come over to the social media platforms. Okay, you can see we have Facebook here, we have LinkedIn, we have Twitter, Instagram, we have Yelp, and all like that. Now, if your agency is focused on content marketing, you can do well to check up on their socials and see how they are performing. And this would be a very good one for you if you're trying to reach out to audiences, or if you're trying to reach out to people who will be interested in your service. You must know what they are suffering from and see if you can help them get better from it. So check out your social media account. Check out on Instagram, check out on Twitter, and see if they are creating engaging content. If not, you can also render your service and tell them, hey, what's up, man? You can say, this is what I do for a living. I can help you create content and manage it directly from any of the social media platforms. And trust me, you will be having people who are interested in your service. So no more blind marketing, no more guesswork. With Lead Sniper, you can have accurate data, all right, of people that might be interested in your service. So if you found this very helpful, come on, go down below and share with me what you think about the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper 2. This is a free guide to show you guys how you can get started with social media marketing agency, all without breaking the bank. So if you're interested in more content like this, please do also subscribe, like this video, and comment Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, and I will shoot out more content like this in my other videos. Take care and bye.